Miami has been an amazing show, and especially a lot of attraction around this 5.8, which is a new model on the market. I think this boat has been waited for quite a long time, and we can see that that's the 5.8 comes to the point it's been the best boat we've ever made in that terms of in the terms of size. So of course we have decided to duplicate or replicate that the design of this wonderful Bali 5.8 on a new model, which is the Bali 5.2. So all what you have liked on the Bali 5.8, you will find it on a more reasonable size. So in 52 foot. It's again all what you've liked and all what you enjoy on the Bali 5.8. You will find it on the Bali 5.2. So this boat has about the same features that you have on the 5.8, like in terms of rooftop and fly bridge, and of course the solid foredeck and the famous now Bali tilting door at the back. This boat is available in 3, 4, 5, and up to 6 cabin plus crew quarters in the 4 peaks. And what is important to say, also to mention, is like in a 5.2, we have managed to do equal 6 cabins, okay, and also 6 dry heads, which is of course important for the charter market. So that would be an amazing boat with we can do a one big owner's hull, okay, and but we can do again 3, 4, 5, and up to 6 cabins. So I think this is the only boat in that size that can offer so many layouts and I would say smart layouts with the Bali concept.
Right. Looking at the materials, this boat is a great size as a family cruiser, family boat. It's a great boat for blue water cruising for couples. It's also a great boat if you want to make the boat generate some income to offset the cost of ownership. So it meets a lot of needs, and I think this boat's going to be extremely well received by the market. This is a next level boat again, like the 5.8, in terms of construction, quality, and interior finishes. Phenomenal. There's a big wow factor in these boats today.
And I have to say also that on the 5.2, the boat is a real sailing boat, because that's we have, for example, designed the boat, for the people who like sailing, with overlapping genoa, great head sails, so to make that boat fast on the water. So this is also important to mention.
Yeah, well, the Bali is from Catana Group, so the Catana DNA is always there. Balis are traditionally very stiff boats. There's very little flex because they need to be able to operate the tilting door. And of course, as everybody knows, stiffness equals performance and windward ability. So there's a lot to be said for this new product. And I'm pretty excited. I think it's going to be super successful in the US market.
Yes, we do hope that it's going to be a great success. And the US premiere will be in Annapolis 25. So I do encourage you to come and see us.
Yeah, come and see us in Annapolis. We'll be featuring it there, and we'll have availability as well. So don't miss out on this boat. I think it's going to be a really popular boat.